Okay, so it's been a nighttime now. It's night. It's nighttime in Philippines. So I have a washing machine here and like a Whirlpool washing machine. We're gonna get this washing machine destroyed. Like it's so like a little broken. Like it's. This is the washing machine. Suspension springs are gone. There's a metal over there. There's the bars over there. Oh, that's good. No, the bearings like this has been busted up here. It's been busted up. Let's just see the under. The belt is over there. I'm gonna replace the belt. Just gonna replace the belt. Just replacing the belt. Okay, so we're gonna replace the belt. So we're gonna just wait. Where's the belt? Oh. And I just like put it. I put this. Okay. We just put the belt now. Just like prepare now. Prepare to kill this Whirlpool washing machine. Like bust it out here. It's the soap drawer that has been busted up. Here it's been busted up. Well, if I'm gonna put a brick, it's gonna shake, and the body says, and then this will be funny. This thing, if this one shakes, it's gonna like this. Boom! It's gonna flip like that. This one will be a funny thing. So, good day. Oop, we have a dirty here. This tape is this dust. Okay, munching na. Okay, so I have this stuff prepared to break this washing machine. This washing machine's nice, but why it's damaged? So I'm sorry, washing machine. This has to be done. Sorry, washing machine. Bye. Okay, guys. So thanks for watching for Zach EDF. So bye, folks. Bye.